Well, hey guys, and welcome back to this next section. I'm super excited about this section and the rest of this course because this is where we really get to put what we've learned to the test. We really get to start capturing the best audio we can with the mics and the gear that we're using. We get to work on mic placement and tweaking things and the sounds that we're going to get. Super excited about this section and the following section. So you want to hang on tight. We're going to cover a lot of information. We're going to go through this fairly quickly and efficiently. If you have any questions, definitely ask. In this specific session, we're going to talk about recording percussion, bass guitar, acoustic guitar. We're going to be recording MIDI events. We're going to be editing those things. And we're going to be recording our vocals, which is a very important lecture. I highly recommend that you pay attention in that lecture. The vocal thing can make or break a song. So we're going to be recording vocals. And as I said, all of the editing that's involved with that, getting everything lined up perfectly, making it all mesh together. See, what we're doing is we're recording a song from scratch, layer by layer. So instead of having a full band in here all at once and tracking it all at once, we're doing it mainly myself, instrument by instrument, all the way down. So this is going to be a really fun section of the course. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, ask away. Leave me a kind review. Let's get rolling. I'll see you in the next lecture.